Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all fine. In this video, I am going to share with you BTS jewelry collection. You can see here different types of BTS jewelry like earrings, rings and bracelet. I like to wear BTS jewelry, therefore I make this video. If my video is helpful for you, please like my video, share my video. If you like this jewelry, you can buy online this BTS jewelry. I hope my video is helpful for you. If my video is helpful for you, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.